Welcome. In front of me is the Honor 7X, and today I will show you how to wipe cache partition on this phone. And to get started, you'll want to hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off, simply hold power key and volume up at the same time. Once you see the Honor logo on the screen, let go of the power key and keep holding volume up. And you can let go once the screen basically goes black. This will take you to the recovery mode, and from here you simply want to tap on wipe cache partition. This will immediately begin. As you can see, it only takes like several seconds, at which point once it's finished you are back in the recovery mode. So tap on reboot system now, and this will take you back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.